In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts not getting views after upload. This is Aiden from JustPause, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, just go ahead and open up YouTube Studio, and you're going to want to select the specific short, and we're just going to do this one that just went up anyways as an example, right? And this one's not doing too great, I'm not gonna lie, but essentially what you need to do is check the restrictions section first and just make sure that there's no copyright, age, or community guideline restrictions affecting the video, and of course make sure it's set to public as well. But then from here, just open up the analytics for that specific short and check whether the video is receiving views from the short feed. You can actually check this just by scrolling down, real-time views. If it says short feed right here, that's what you want. If you just uploaded the video, give YouTube some time to process and test it with new viewers. Shorts always don't, receive views immediately, at least for the most part. Some will, some won't. And if it's still getting no shorts feed traffic, say after like 3 days, avoid deleting and repeating, the same upload. You don't want to upload the same thing over and over again, because then it'll be detected as spam, and that's a whole nother issue. But instead, just continue uploading new original shorts and just monitor the shorts feed traffic in the YouTube Studio. Another thing you want to keep in mind is you want to get this engagement up as high as possible, specifically this how viewers are engaged. You want this to stay around 80%. So this one is actually underperforming compared to normal right now, which is not too great. But if we go to maybe a different one that might have a little bit more views, for example, like this Spider-Man one, I guarantee if we open this one, and this one has even more, 7.9K, you go to engagement, and this is going to be way higher, 83% right here. You want to aim for higher than 80%. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.